Go to the Starkscan website. Next, search for the router address. You can easily copy and paste the router contract address from the video description below. Now click on the Read/Write Contract option. Now select the Write option. Next, click on Connect U-Wallet. Now connect your preferred wallet. Once the wallet is connected, now scroll down and search for the Repay Loan option and click on it. Click on Repay Loan, and you'll see two input parameters, Loan ID, Repay Amount. To fill in the loaner ID, follow a few extra steps to get your loan ID and the amount you want to repay. Go to the Voyager website. Now search for the router address. You can easily copy and paste the router contract address from the video description below. Scroll down and click on the Read Contract R option. Look for the function Get Users Loans and click on it. Paste your Starknet wallet address, the one you used to borrow, and click Query. Once the query returns, select the decimal option for readability. You'll now see all loans you've taken from the protocol. Carefully scroll through each loan ID in the list and check the amount associated. Ignore any loans where the amount is 0. Focus only on the loan that has a non-zero amount. This is the one you'll repay. Copy the correct loan ID and its associated amount. For example, I found loan ID 23553 with an amount of 12,000, which corresponds to the USDT market. Now go back to Starkscan and paste these values into the Repay Loan function fields. Before proceeding, you need to approve the loan from the market side. Return to Voyager. In the earlier query result, click on Hexed and search for your loan ID. From there, copy the current market address. This is the token address you borrowed. Then open it in Starkscan. On Starkscan, paste the current market address. For example, in my case, USDT is the borrow market, so I'll use the corresponding USDT token address. Go to Read/Write, click Write, and connect your wallet. Next, scroll down and search for the Approve function. Inside the Approve function, paste the router address, which is provided below in the video description. Then enter the repay amount and click. Write and sign the transaction. Sign in the transaction. After approval, return to the original Repay Loan tab on Starkscan. Click on Write and sign the transaction to complete repayment. Once the transaction is successful, you'll receive a notification confirming the repayment.